my bells, welcome back to the channel. It's a weekend reset. You guys know it's the weekend, and of course this is the perfect time to self-care, to unwind and get ready for the weekend. So let's just go ahead and get started. Am I the only one that disinfects her footwear whenever I go out and then I come in, guys? Because of course our house is a no-shoe zone. As you guys can see, I went ahead and I disinfected the shoe I went out with right in front of the door, and then I put on my my home slippers. The only time you will catch me wearing like slippers in the house is, you know, when I have on my home slippers, but of course most of the time it's always socks. We're just used to socks, except the summer. You know, when it's the summertime, it's okay to wear your you know, just use your legs or your feet, no slippers, no socks, no nothing. But yep, guys, so today is gonna be an unwinding video, guys. I had few meetings with my manager, and of course by the time I came back, it was a very late meeting. She was working, so by the time she was done, it was so late. So but anyways, guys, I'm so happy to be home. It's Friday. Fridays are always like, there's just something so special about Fridays, guys, that you don't need to worry. Even though the kids are almost out from school, they have just few days left in school, but the fact that Fridays, you know that you're just, you know, going to be able to sleep in and wake up whenever you want on Saturday, it makes it less stressful, basically. So I love to take my time to do whatever it is I'm doing on Fridays. And before, we used to be like, okay, let the kids stay up a little longer on Fridays, but because of the fact that the kids are just there, I would say their body system is used to waking up early in the morning and going to bed very early in the morning. So like 8:39, they're already off to sleep. So that always gives us, you know, I and hubby the time to just unwind, to relax and watch a movie or something. But also hubby's had something going on in church, so by the time he was back, it was late. So anyways, you guys, as you guys can see, I went ahead and I just took off the clothes I went out with, and this is the time I take to just relax, have my dinner, watch a movie. Of course, you guys, Netflix is always like, Netflix knows how to hit the spot whenever it's time to just unwind and relax. So I just love to have a cup of water and my dinner and just, you know, take a moment and just unwind, you know, just take a moment and have my head together. You know how like sometimes you're stressed and you just need a moment to yourself. So today was one of those days, and it feels so good, and it felt so good, guys. So basically, of course, there is no dishes in the sink, like I always tell you guys. So once you eat your food, you want to go ahead and just wash up the dishes. It makes it so much easier to maintain a clean kitchen, a clean home. Just do as you go. I mean, clean as you go. That's always my watchword. Ain't nothing like your self-care and skincare time, guys. I mean, you know that feeling when you've been on wig all day and you just can't wait to get that wig off your head, to pack it, to get it out, to take off your bra, to take off your makeup. Oh my gosh, guys, the makeup is always my favorite, followed by, of course, the bra, and followed by by the week, guys, because makeup is just, I don't know, sometimes I have a love-hate relationship with makeup. I always say that if I had a clear skin, honestly, I don't think I would be wearing makeup. It's funny how sometimes when I sit and I reflect, I remember when I was probably 10, no, not 10, maybe 13, 14, I couldn't wait to start wearing makeup, guys. Like, I was so fascinated with makeup. But now it's like, for the past, I would say 3, 4, 5 years now, it's like makeup is something that I struggle with. Not that sometimes I don't have like an urge to really glam myself up, but makeup started being something I really do not care for. And like I always say, if I had a clear skin, guys, what you're going to be seeing on my face is only lip gloss, just to make sure my lips are moisturized. You know, if you have a clear skin, you don't even know excuse me, guys, you don't even know what God has done for you. I just admire, like, when I have my friends and, you know, I see them with no makeup, they just have their skin glowing with maybe a facial oil, a lip gloss. That look is something I'm always very fascinated with, guys. But anyways, I'm going ahead to go ahead and okay, that is really a catchy line right there. But anyways, you guys, I went ahead and I took off my makeup, and it's time to go ahead and have my shower. You know, this is the time I love to just take a moment and care for myself, take care of my skin, my face, my body. You know, self-care is very therapeutic. It's very important. If you're a type of mom, a type of woman that is always busy, I mean, maybe take out a day in a week, preferably Fridays, guys, especially if you don't work on Saturdays and Sundays. Take a moment and just care for yourself, take a bath. You know, of course, our bathroom renovation is coming soon. I cannot wait, guys, because as you guys can see, our bathroom is run down at the moment. I've always been the type of person that don't like brown cabinets, brown mirrors, and all those things. But of course, you guys know this is like what? The 7th or the 8th month since we bought our new home. So we are gradually renovating and turning everything the way we love it. But before I digress, guys, of course, like I was saying, self-care is very important. This is the time I just love to take it easy, especially when the kids are off to bed. There's just this feeling of like the whole house is quiet. Oh, guys, it's such a blessing. Like, when the kids go off to bed, it's such a blessing because the whole house is quiet. I mean, you could literally drop a pin and you can hear it, you know. But yep, guys, I just go ahead and make sure they are tucked in properly, because as you guys can see, sometimes they go to bed with their lights on, everything on, their computer on. So I just love to take a round. Like, the crazy thing is, I take a round probably 2-3 times every night before it's morning. I don't know, I'm just used to it, guys. I love to go ahead and check up on them, you know, make sure they are doing well. You know, after checking up on them now, I probably end up checking up on them 2 times again in between my sleep, you know, to make sure they are well. But guys, to end up the day or to send off the day, I love to make myself a very nice warm cup of green tea. This is something I absolutely enjoy, especially during the time I take to maybe go through my day, my to-dos, because I mean, if you guys watch my channel, you know that I love to set my daily to-dos, my weekly to-dos. So I love to, you know, right before I go to bed, I love to go through my iPad, check off all my to-dos, you know, everything I listed that I had to do for that day or that week, kind of maybe the kids' appointments, maybe I needed to shop, maybe I needed to get things for the house, different scenarios, guys. So as you guys can see, this is the time I love to take a moment and just check off everything that I did. And sometimes it's not every day I finish everything. Sometimes I have to kind of you know, maybe I wasn't able to do 1 or 2 things, so I moved them to the next day to do. So let me know if you guys want to see like maybe my organization, like how I organize my week, you know, to make it flow seamlessly. But anyways, you guys, I believe that is all there is to this video, my loves. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys, you know, got some inspiration from it. I absolutely love watching unwinding, like reset videos. And yep, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Until my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.